Sir, I only gave you 5. Need a volunteer. Boom, the girl that raised her hand right here. Yeah, you. Go ahead, give her a round of applause. Yeah, give her a round of applause. Give her a round of applause. Give her a round of applause. Hey, gangster girl. Tattoos, everything. Where you from?
Long Beach.
Hey, I wasn't expecting that little sweet thing. I thought you were going to be like, Long Beach? Okay, go, gangster, everything. Where you from?
Long Beach.
Okay. Oh. All right, 30 seconds on the clock, baby. Baby, can you give me 30 seconds, or do you have to? Oh, I'm gonna tell you, I just want to get them ready. I got you back. I got your back, girl. 30 seconds on the clock, baby. You have to name for this $5. Okay. You have to name 10 of whatever I'm about to say, and you cannot say or ah. Okay? 10. If I say 10 actors, you gotta go Tom Cruise, Denzel Washington, Will Smith. You can't say Tom Cruise, or you get punched in the stomach. That's how we play the game. That's how we play the game. How we play the game. Okay? All right. Okay, I won't say actors. Okay, baby, 30 seconds on the clock. 10. No help from the audience. 10. I don't know why I'm standing like this. 10. Fast food restaurants.
McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut.
Wendy's. I'm gonna. You can't say Wendy's. Start the clock over here. You want to push you like Wendy's. No help from the audience.
Okay.
10. Baby, start the clock over again. 10. Female R&B singers.
Sade, Mary J. Blige.
Mary J. Blige? I never.
Oh, Blige. What is it? Blige? Beyonce.
Give her a round of applause. No, give her a round of applause. Give her a round of applause. First of all, you should have sat on a Mary J. Blige. I don't. Just fine. All right, let's keep the show rolling. Look at a real comedian up here. Ladies and gentlemen, good job, young lady. I still have $5 to give out, so somebody's going to win it. Please, put your hand. We just had a poet, now it's time for it. Just had a poet, now it's time for it. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for...